Hi there! In this short film, I want to explain you everything about one of the three core integration patterns supported in our platform, event streaming. As a data provider for digital transformation initiatives, event streaming plays a central role to allow teams and services to publish data into a central cluster. Other services and applications can access this data in their own pace and frequency within a certain retention period. This video will illustrate the capabilities of the Imagis event streaming engine, and we will show this in the context of a common financial process. With this video, we hope to improve your understanding of the event streaming concept and above all, the benefits of operating and managing your event streaming cluster from your Imagis iPaaS solution. Many companies have created large service-oriented architectures aiming to increase time to market, reduce large-scale production incidents, and allowing the formation of teams. Event streaming is a next step in further decoupling teams and services by putting the data outside the service itself. This allows services to still access data when that related service is down and make release management easier. Another very important development is the notion that many IoT devices are ready to generate data to allow for real-time decision-making. Event streaming is focused on throughput and speed and can make such events available to business processes in real time. Specific event processors can transform and enrich event data streams to allow for more value add in data provisioning. In the Imagis platform, we have fully integrated event streaming in our integration lifecycle process. Because it can be configured and managed in a local manner, topics that store data can easily and efficiently be set up and administered. Event streaming is especially applicable for scenarios that meet the following characteristics. Event-based data streams. Events can be considered as facts, like an update to a master data item that needs to be published to the microservices community. For instance, the temperature or location of a device. High volume. Focus on throughput and speed. Events come in large volumes and need to be handled at the speed of light. Event streaming solutions have this built-in capability to handle such scenarios. Many teams and services. Loose coupling is the key word for event streaming. Typically, there are many publishers of data and many subscribers that pull the data into this service or application. Publishers and subscribers are not required to be aware of each other. The contract of what can be published into that specific event streaming topic resides in the central scheme repository. Now, to illustrate an event streaming use case, let's have a look at a typical financial business process. Insurance company A has a need to process insurance claims that are submitted by their clients. In order to do so, the latest details or master data of clients are required to process the insurance claim effectively. However, the data is not managed by the claims processing application, but handled by a central relation application. Some specific client data is stored in another legacy application. In order to work with the latest data of the client that is submitting an insurance claim, the latest details of the client need to be available for first-time write processing of the claim. Key spear points for the architecture team of Insurance Company A are standardization of integrations and self-service. In this context, the relation application can publish any update to the relation data to a specific topic. The specific client data from the legacy application is also publishing data to that same topic. That topic can have several subscribers that are all required to update data. One of them is the insurance claim application that has a background process running that is pulling that updated data record from the topic and updates that information into the data model. Therefore, client records are up to date in real time and the claims processing is done first time right. The legacy system is able to deliver information, but the definition of the data is somewhat different than what is expected in the central topic. The event streaming cluster in Imagis can transform the legacy definition to the expected content and format. The Imagis event streaming engine would offer the insurance company the following benefits in this case. Transformation and enrichment of data. Applications can publish data into several topics, but transformation capability can help to create a consistent set of client data as defined in the scheme. Self-sufficiency. Development teams can publish the data independently and don't need any contract or coupling with the consumers of the data. Subscribers can pull the data at a pace and time required for their business process. Monitoring and alerting. DevOps teams can work directly with the business to configure the topics according to the business demands and create alerts with consumers. Fall back into the pooling of data, which is also called consumer's lag. Availability. The event streaming cluster is designed on Kafka technology that brings the guaranteed data availability and automatic data retention policies based on either time or storage capacity. The event streaming forms an integral part of our enterprise iPaaS. It can seamlessly be combined with any other integration pattern that provides you with maximum flexibility. The benefits of having an event streaming capability within your enterprise iPaaS are lower barriers to access and a reduction of cost for integration technology, allowing you to set up integrations without a need for extensive training in different products or the recruitment of subject matter experts. Overall improvement of the data quality and reduction of errors thanks to monitoring and alerting capabilities present in the platform, and a faster time to market for data provisioning integrations, thanks to the proven integration lifecycle management. This concludes our explanation of the event streaming pattern. While there are many more details to dive into, we hope that this video has provided you with a first explanation of what this integration pattern entails and how it may be applied in a business process. If you have any questions, or if you're curious about how event streaming can be beneficial for you, please do contact us. We're happy to help you manage your data.